Hello everyone, this is the second video in a multi-video series where I interview Ramatulahi, an international lawyer who specializes in international arbitration. In this video, I talk with Ramatulahi about what it's like to be one of the first lawyers in her family and some of the actions that she's taken while she was in college that helped to prepare her for law school. If you're interested in more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button to hear more videos about career opportunities in international affairs as well as my experiences overseas. And be sure to hit the like button. All right, let's get started. You say that you're the first lawyer in your family, in your extended family, the first international lawyer. What would you tell somebody who was like the first in their family to take on international affairs, to like go to law school or any of that? Because I too am like the first like diplomat in my family, and so I can relate to you on that level. Like I'm the first, like, to go to, like, in my immediate family to get my master's degree, things of that nature.
Yeah, it's very difficult because you don't have a mentor, you don't have someone you can look up to. So you have to do all the work by yourself. You have to do the research, speak to attorneys, like make use of your resources in undergrad, because that's what I did. So I joined my pre-law fraternity. So it's like a club that you can join for students who are interested in going to law school. So I did that in undergrad, and also I spoke to my professors in school, and then I was able to get paired with attorneys who went to Penn State alumni, and then I got like piece and pieces of advice when I speak to them or when I attend networking events where they invite attorneys that come to Penn State and speak to students who are interested in going to law school. So I did that, and I also did a program in my law in Penn State at the Penn State Law School where it's a 1 week program that you do. So you're like trained to um, to experience what it's like to be a law student. You take
Oh,
classes, you do readings, and then and you speak to other students who are in law schools like 1L, 12, 12, and you speak to professors who teach law. And that was like an experience, just like just to get the sense of what it's like to be in law school. So I did that during my junior year, I believe, in undergrad.
oh,
So that was like an experience, and it helped me prepare for my law school application, your personal statement, because that's also a lot of work, and you have to make sure you have like good recommendation letter from your professors. So everything I did myself. All I had from my family was the support and the and the motivation, the encouraging words. That's what I had. Because my mom, she never really she never went to school. Because I came from a community where during at her time, education was not very valued. So she ensured that me and my siblings would earn an education, even while living in Nigeria and moving into the United States. She supported us with our education. So from that, I always had that, at the back of my, head to keep on striving, and it motivated me. And I'm very driven when it comes to going for what I want, because I believe if I have set my mind to something, I work really hard to achieve it. I don't let any obstacle face me. So I'm just focused on the goal and on the path. So any obstacle that comes by is just like you just brush it off and
yeah.
you focus on the goal.
You said a lot of important things. You said a lot of great things. But two things that I took away from what you just said is that, number one, be driven, to like be
Mhm.
like have that drive, and like I feel like because you had that drive, you were able to like keep going even when you heard
Mhm.
no's. And so I think for somebody out there, if you're like hearing a no or something like that, just keep going, just have that drive. And then the second thing that you touched on was that your junior year you did like some sort of program that helped you, like, get introduced to like law school, help you like learn how to do the application. And especially like us as first generation in our like profession, in our careers, I think those kind of programs are so essential, to find like while you're in undergrad, like if you could find like programs that will help you know what's like in the future. You know, they have like things equivalent to that in like diplomacy in the foreign service, but that's really good to know that they have like something like that for like if you aspire to be a lawyer. That's something I didn't know. If you're interested in more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button so that more people can see this video. And be sure to visit my blog over at heymisstraveler.com to never miss a blog post. All right, until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.